Kailan po mag-expire yung permit natin, yung plumbing permit? A plumbing permit issued under the provisions of this code shall expire and become null and void if the plumbing work authorized therein is not commenced within 1 year from the date of such permit, or if the plumbing work so authorized is suspended or abandoned at any time after having been commenced for a period of 120 days. So, kung nagsimula ka, nag-commence kayo, but you suspended the work, you have abandoned it for 120 days, mag-expire din yung permit ninyo. In case of renewal of a plumbing permit, a fee equivalent to 1/2 the amount of the original fee shall be paid.